Today we will be melting all of this candy right here in order to make the ultimate candy. Bowl, mince, sugar babies, Mike and Ike, Sour Patches. Comes with plastic. Whopper. Cookie dough. Jolly Ranchers. Swedish fish. M&ms. Green M&M. Peanut butter M&M. Hershey's. Crunch. I'm gonna save this one. A Heath bar. The heck is a Heath bar? It's really good. A butterfinger. A Snickers. It does satisfy. Skittles. Babyruth. A kitkat. And lastly, my favorite candy all time, the REESE'S. REESE'S, please sponsor me. I'm gonna save one for myself. Okay, now here's what we were left with. A whole bowl of candy. Here's a whole bowl of candy we got from all of this. So, mix it up. Okay, now we're gonna go heat the whole thing up for 5 minutes in the microwave. Give it a good spin, take a nice bite. And then I'm gonna get diabetes and die.
Few minutes later.
I think I might have did it right. Oh my god, it's freaking oh my god, you saw that? Oh. Yeah, let's give it a nice spin. You see me? Give it a nice spin. Okay. That should be good. Okay, let's freaking try it. I'm kinda nervous. Like a chocolate chewing gum. It's like I'm eating a marshmallow that's been born, but it's not like dissolving in my mouth. I think that might be the skill. In theory, this sounds like like the ultimate dessert. You mix it all up. Oh, it's too bad. It's too hot. Thank you for the watching video. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna make more videos. Stay tuned. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.